Nifty and Bank Nifty, the Indian stock markets is having in a very tight range for last 3.5-4 months, and I'm sure this is frustrating for every trader who is trading in the market frequently. For Bank Nifty, the range lies between this 57,500 to 58,500. That 1,000 point approximate range is where we are moving for some time now. So it's around 1.5 months that we have been trading in that range, and I think the time has come, and probably one thing or the other will definitely happen. Well, this weekend we saw some escalation on Middle East as usual. The Strait of Hormuz is closed, but then that happens so many times that some people are getting used to it. We as a trader should only focus on the levels. So what level is? Level is 58,500 on the upside and 57,500 on the downside. That my smaller time frame suggests. If it breaks above 5,500, and we are right in the middle of it, and so that we should always consider. If it breaks above that level, I think it becomes a good buy. Where it can take you? Well, I think again, unfortunately on the upside, the range is limited. The range it at max go to 59,000, because then there is a little area where there is a congestion, which you can see here. So crossing until you cross 60,000, or then only you see a decisive upside. But then above 50,500, there will be some upside as well. In that case, you keep your stop loss over there and then trade. And downside, if it goes below 57,500, it may open up a new level of somewhere around 56,000. Yeah, so that's kind of open up a little bigger channel to trade. On daily chart, we have a similar kind of picture. The daily chart says that I have a support at 57,000 approximately. I have a resistance at 50,700, then 60,000. So the same thing is being shown in the daily chart as well. On the weekly chart, if I go, the weekly chart is showing a nice uptick right now, and this can be violated only if Nifty goes below 50. Right now I would say it's 55,000 or odd, but again it's a little fast, so I'm not talking about right now. If I just summing it up everything, the first range to trade is either, if you want to go short, it should be below 57,500. Want to go long, that should be above 58,500, and trade with some strict stop losses, and hopefully we'll make some money in the Bank Nifty. This is my strategy for the coming week. Thank you very much. Have a good trading day.